Isang mainit na bakbakan ang inaabangan ng mga boxing fans ngayong darating na Pebrero 28 taong kasalukuyan, na kung saan ay magtatapat ang dalawang undefeated Pinoy boxing prospect na si AJ the Sniper Pasiones kontra sa isa ring matinik sa ibabaw ng lona na si Nathaniel Dorona. Nakilala si Pasiones sa kanyang mga kalkuladong galawan at sa mga impresibong panalo sa loob at sa labas ng ating bansa. Habang si Nathaniel Dorona naman ay papasibol at unti-unting nakikilala dahil sa kanyang bangis at galing na mga counterpunch nito. Sa bidyong ito ay mapapanood natin ang naging laban ni Nathaniel Dorona kontra sa kapwa Pinoy na si Hilario Ginanda.
At flyweight championship. Villamor. That was on a blow-by-blow card in June of 2024. That was also for the Philippine Youth Light Flyweight title. Ngayon naman po, Flyweight Championship ito. Hinanda in the white trunks. At ang tawag sa kanya, palagay ko, may puputok dito sa loob ng ring. Dynamite.
Dorona is undefeated. 4 knockouts in 7 wins. Dorona is very quick on his feet. Dorona, this is his second fight year, 2024. Pinalo po niya si Dula, si Bulacan by a knockout in the 4th round. So second fight sa kanya is blow-by-blow resident. Out of his 8 fights, 7 by blow with 4 knockouts. Eto, baksak si Ginanda. Dorona, grabe ang kumpiyansa nitong bata na to. Count, he's up at the count of 7. First round, here's Dorona. We noticed, that step of Dorona, a lot of... Dorona, originally from Osamis City. Misami, first to explode ang kanyang dynamite for the home run. Nanda, his back against just go down once more. Missed one. Being very careful, but he's throwing a lot of leather. What happened to go in this? Ulan doon si Nanda sa ginawa ni Dynamite Dog. Now moving in closer to Dorona. That's again. Looks like he's rushing off that first round knockdown. Oh, that's another shot. A left hand one.
7, 8.
That left hand of Dynamite Dorona has exploded twice. Dorona is just giving everything he's got right now. Dalawang beses na bumagsak si Hinanda. And it looks like he got hurt once more. And they stop it. They stop the fight. Hinanda got smacked.
Nathaniel Dorona.
Panoorin naman natin mga idol ang huling naging laban ni AJ Pasiones kontra sa isa pa nating kababayan na si Geraldine Oclarit. tindi mga idol. Isang napakalakas na counter left ang sinalubong ni Geraldine Oclaret. Nakakakilabot dahil halos hindi nga po gumagalaw ang bumagsak na boksingero. Hanggang dito na lang po muna tayo mga idol. Maraming salamat po.